Good morning and welcome to the old hump day for the usual time, and this will be considered as a Friday. This will be Commodity Corner. But as we want to look at, we want to talk about, first of all, it is a holiday, so it should be a fairly quiet trading day. We want to talk about what has been happening to the commodities. As you can see, the overall commodity space has been selling off. You can now take a look. We've talked about this for months, how the grains were going to start to sell off, and you can now see that soybeans are now in a bear market. Okay, we talked about oil. $88 was our level. We can see that oil is now selling off again, and gold $17.50. So we want to continue to watch these items because they do have an effect in the overall market that goes on to the risk on, risk off type of trade. Okay, but the markets themselves are telling you now that they're struggling. Now, we could certainly get the Santa Claus rally. Would not surprise me going forward. It would not, nothing would surprise me if we tried to stay a little bit stronger for the next couple of weeks. We did have a very healthy sell-off, and again, this is not something that we look at as a disaster. It's something that the market needs. All markets, commodities, equities, they all need buyers and sellers at certain times. So when the market was getting into the tortoise markets and we were creeping up, it was just a natural time to look for a spot to sell. So what we're looking for across the board, including the commodities, is for opportunities to take advantage of selling spots. Okay, the markets are now pretty much all at resistance, and every rally right now should be sold. But what you have to focus on is the right level. So the right level in soybeans would be probably around the $14.50 level. In gold would be the $17.50 level, and in oil would be the $88 level. That's what we want to do. This is what we do. We find reasonable levels that put us in a solid position mathematically that'll give us the best chance to make money. If we aren't in that best chance, there's no reason to make the trade. Our focus has to be to make money. That's what we're here for. So the focus is look for the best spot for yourselves to make money. As I do every Friday usually, but I'm doing it on Wednesday, my weekly predictions is I look for the markets to be a little bit higher. I look for commodities to churn a little bit. I think you're going to see this week a lot of just kind of a nothing. I think you might have some swings. I look for higher volatility, but I think it's going to be probably higher to flat across the board. So let's look at now. Everybody have a great, happy, healthy Thanksgiving. Spend time with your family. Enjoy the football games. And we will see you back here on Monday. Be careful, be safe, and enjoy the holiday. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. The Bubba Show.